Hey everyone, if you're getting an action failed error in Zapier, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the most common causes so your automations can run successfully again. First, sign in to your Zapier account and open the Zap that's showing the error. Go to the action step and review the error message to understand what went wrong. Next, make sure the action app is still connected properly. If the connection has expired or become invalid, reconnect your account and authorize Zapier again. Now check all the required fields in the action step. Verify that every mandatory field is mapped correctly and that the incoming data matches what the app expects. It's also a good idea to test the action manually. This helps confirm whether the issue is caused by missing data, incorrect field values, or app permissions. After that, review your Zap history for more detailed error information. The logs often explain whether the problem is related to authentication, validation, rate limits, or a temporary app issue. So if the connected app recently changed its settings or API, update your Zap configuration and test it again. You should also confirm that your account has the necessary permissions to perform the action. Finally, save your changes, publish the Zap, and run another test to make sure the action completes successfully. And that's it. Yeah, these steps resolve most Zapier, action failed, errors, and help keep your automations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.